Hey tech-savvy dog lovers! Imagine 360-degree in coverage, treat tossing fun, and two-way chats with your pup, all in one gadget. Meet the Furbo 360-degree dog camera. Is it a must-have or just barking up the wrong tree? Let's find out. Let's start with its 360-degree camera coverage. It's like Big Brother, but for your dog. No more sneaky countersurfing or pillow chewing when you're not home. Remotely tossing treats becomes a fun game, allowing you to surprise your dog and perhaps even improve their fetch skills. Just don't be offended if they start expecting treats to come from the sky. You can even talk to your dog when you are out, and she can tilt her head like, "Why is Mom's voice trapped in this tiny box?" Priceless. With improved low-light and night vision capabilities, you can keep an eye on nocturnal activities, ensuring your dog isn't secretly hosting midnight snack parties. But when it comes to subscription dependency, advanced features like barking alerts and activity monitoring require a subscription, which might feel like paying extra to understand your dog's barks. Others users are not happy too about the camera functionality. The camera needs to be turned off manually or scheduled, which can be inconvenient, especially if your dog decides to have a spontaneous zoomies session at 3 a.m. Overall, the Furbo 360-degree dog camera is a must-have for dog owners who want to stay connected with their pets. With its full room view, treat tossing feature, and barking alerts, it's perfect for monitoring and interacting with your dog anytime, anywhere. While the subscription for advanced features adds to the cost, the peace of mind and fun it provides make it worth considering. So, if you have or know more about this gadget, leave a comment and tell us what you think about it. And if not, click on the link below. You will be directed to the website where you can buy the product. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you are having a great day.